So it's time to take my skills to the next level. So no, not those skills. The other ones. Yes, those skills. I should learn to make apps. I've been playing around with React Native for a while now. And although it's a very good framework, for me it seems like a bit clumsy and a bit messy. And from my understanding, React Native is also dependent on heavy use of third-party libraries, which have their own problems, which you or nobody else can control. So I began to look around for other cross-platform frameworks, and I quickly found Flutter. Then I did what every normal person would do. Go into YouTube and find the first and the best 37-hour tutorial. 37 hour? 37 hour? Alright, let's get to it.
This Master of Flutter course will take you from being an absolute beginner to being able to release apps on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Bandit is a very experienced software developer and an excellent teacher.
So, it's 1 million years later. I've been playing around with Flutter now, and I must say the learning curve is a bit more steep, but Flutter just seems more intentional and more correct. So I will change my focus from trying to learn React Native to learn Flutter. There's only one thing left to do.